2000.
Here we are, it's June 10th, 2016. As you can see, I've got stuff here in the garage because I'm working on the house at this point in time, and this is the first time that I will be driving this car off of my own property and onto a public street. To say I was a little bit nervous, that's an understatement. As you can hear, the idle was high because at this time I couldn't find why the idle was high, and I did finally find the vacuum leak later on. And on the other side of the car, you can see where I had to make a repair because I crashed it into the garage door when I was trying to pull it out once because the brakes didn't work. And yeah, it looks pretty crazy, all plain white, but this is how it looked when I started out with it.